Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to my vlogs, and today is the part 2 of the MG Hector versus the Kia Seltos, the full specification comparison. So let's start the vlog. So hope you like my vlog and subscribe my channel also. Hello, what's up guys? So welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog I am gonna be telling you the engine specifications and the overall space and the overall review of the cars, both two cars, which is first MG Hector and the second one is Kia Seltos. So stay tuned and watch full video. Hope you like my video. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for further notifications. Hi guys, so the first one is the Kia Seltos. So in the Kia Seltos, it comes with the 1.5 liter diesel engine which produces 115 horsepower, and it's quite good in both the GT line and the normal Seltos. So its price range now starts with 8.29 lakhs 9.29 lakhs and then goes up to 17.88 ex showroom. So now these two GT and normal Kia Seltos, which are diesel and petrol, they both comes with the BS6 compliant engines, and as well as the MG Hector also comes with the BS6 engine. So, and in the case of Hector, the Hector has 145 horsepower, and then it also has 1.5 liter 1.5 liter petrol engine and 2 liter diesel engine, so which produces more power, and it looks more aggressive than the Kia Seltos. And now I'm going to tell you the overall space and how they are during their rides. Okay. Hello guys. So first, the contenders are Kia Seltos and the MG Hector. And first, the Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos comes with a very promising first product with plenty of features, and it also has an aggressive price tag, which is quite high than the expected price, because it has a small and compact design. But whereas the MG Hector, it has a vibrant and aggressive design from the back as well as front, and it looks more comfy and big than the Seltos. So it has a lots of space and comfort, and it also has a powerful engine than the Kia Seltos. So these two are the competitors in the same segment, but uh, they both are also new companies in India and are establishing their foot in the Indian car market. So guys, I want to tell you that the Hector has plenty of more space than the Seltos, but in my opinion, the Seltos is more lavishly appointed. Like it has ventilated seats, which Hector does not have. It has Bose sound system, and Hector has Infinity sound system, and Kia Seltos has a quite nice cabin, and it also has an air purifier, which is quite good, and I think so first in segment. And then the I want to tell you that the Creta 2020 edition also has an air purifier, but now our comparison is between the Kia Seltos and the MG Hector. So the Kia Seltos has high speed stability, and it is fun to drive, and but the MG Hector, it is comfy at low speed, but it has pair of body movements in when it goes above 100 or 120 kilometers per hour. And the Hector also has a massive panoramic sunroof, which allows more and more of light in the cabin. It also has 360-degree cameras, which helps to park more and assist you more. And both the cars have manual gearboxes, and they also come with a 6-speed manual transmission. And in the case of Kia, the Kia and the MG Hector both have the voice assistant quality, and the MG Hector has more space in the back row than the Kia Seltos, because Kia Seltos is quite compact than the MG Hector, and both the cars are good and fun to drive. Hi guys, so the Kia Seltos price in Delhi ex-showroom starts at 14.99 lakhs, and the MG Hector starts at 16.88 lakhs. And but at the price I'm telling you are the BS6 compliant, and they both are the top ends. And so the now I will tell you the after sales and services. So the Kia Seltos has a not good and not average also. It has a 60 to 65% of the resale, as well as the MG Hector also has an average resale than the Kia Seltos. So the tank of the Kia Seltos is 50 liters, and the tank of the MG Hector is 60 liters. The range when the car is full of the Kia Seltos is 1050 kilometers, and the Hector is 1045 kilometers. So they are quite same, but now it comes the 0 to 100 km per hour test. So the Kia Seltos covers it in 11.21 seconds, and the MG Hector covers it with 11.39 seconds. So there is quite a small difference of both the cars. And now comes with the infotainment system. The infotainment system of the Kia Seltos, it has a 10.25-inch touch screen, which is quite sleek, and it also has a user-friendly interface, and it looks like a small BMW like infotainment system. But the MG Hector has a quite out of the box I would rather say out of the box, because it has a vertical infotainment system which is of 10.4 inches, and it has all the features in it. It has Ghana app, it has tire pressure monitoring system, it has MG's app and navigation and all. So these two are the infotainment. And now comes the boot space. The Kia Seltos has a boot space, I would say, of 433 liters, which is quite good, and not that good but not that bad also. It's an average. But the MG Hector has an over large boot space that is 587 liters of boot space. So I would say the Seltos is very defined, light and easy to drive, because it has a compact design, and it also has a small boot space, and it also has a slightly small touchscreen than the MG Hector. So for me, it's a preference of the MG Hector because of its cabin space, equipment list, and rear seat comfort. But my second choice would be, rather than MG Hector, it would be the Kia Seltos, because I am against, because of it is modern inside, and it has some missing equipment which the MG Hector does not have. You can also see in the front, the Kia Seltos has a triangle front nose grille, which is the signature grille of the Kia company, and it also has an ice cube shaped LED fog lamps. So, but I would be against in MG Hector also, as it has low height speed dynamics, and it has a slow touch screen. And the verdict is, it is bigger and better if you are chauffeur driven. So in my opinion, both are capable, but the MG Hector is an outstanding all-rounder. So thanks. Comment down also below that which car did you like, the MG Hector or the Kia Seltos, and also comment down below that which video you want to see in my next vlog. Will meet you in my next vlog. So thanks guys for watching my video. Hope you like my video. So please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for further notifications. We'll meet in next vlog.